One of my big learnings from AWS, where I spent almost 8 years, was how to target non-consumption, areas where we believed there's latent demand, but there aren't products to serve that demand. Now, that's obviously a hard thing to do because there isn't something to go target that's already out there. And you kind of are making this leap of faith that if you build it, they will come. That's a tough thing, but that is basically the general problem of going after non-consumption. That's actually how I decided to do Shoreline as well. If you look at day two production ops tooling, there are a ton of DevOps tools. It's just that most of them do one form or another of observability, collecting your logs, collecting your metrics, comparing them to conditions, raising alarms. And then the rest of them are some form or another of incident management, driving a process around taking that alarm, routing it to a human being, prioritizing it, escalating it if somebody doesn't respond in a timely way. Now, all of that's useful. If you don't have it, you need it, you should go and get it. Problem is that it's the first 5 minutes of what's an hour to 2 hour incident all the time while customers are unhappy and your employees are unhappy. It doesn't need to be that way, because if you look at an average company's incident data, about half of it is noisy alarms that really just need to be adjusted. Then if you put that aside, about half of what remains is straightforward, repetitive, well understood. That's exactly what should be automated away, not being dealt with by human beings in the middle of the night. Then you look at what remains. On average, those things get handled by like 7 people, because the L1 on call reaches out to L2, maybe it goes to L3, and they don't really know who to go to, so everyone piles into a Slack room. It's nonsensical. What you really want is the thing to go to a notebook, which has all the diagnostics. Your best SRE defines what should be done, and everybody knows what to do. And so with that, you can get almost absurdly more effective and productive in your on-call processes. And your people can get back to why they got their degrees, why they got into tech, and do the work that they enjoy. And it's a bit of a bet, to be honest, but that's the whole point of non-consumption, finding the logical process by which you find something that's just broken in the world, that's causing pain, and you go address it.